How to change AirDrop name on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the General option and tap on it. Inside the General menu, tap on About at the very top of the screen. Go ahead and tap on the name field located at the top. On this screen, you can easily edit the current name of your iPhone. Type in the new name you wish to use for your device and for AirDrop. Once you are satisfied with the new name, simply tap on Done in the bottom right. As you can see, your iPhone's name has been successfully updated. Now, whenever you want to send photos, videos, documents, and other files, your AirDrop name will be the one that has been updated. Following these steps, you can easily change the AirDrop name on your iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.